So I'm going to show you today how to take apart this Colt 1911 A1. It's 9mm. It's a Combat Commander Texas Ranger. I love this gun. So the first thing we're going to do is pull back this hammer. And I find it easiest, because this slide does not have a stopper, to line it up right there. And once you line it up, you just push this pin here, pull this pin out. It should just come on out. And then just slide this off here. And there goes your spring. And what you want to do is you want to turn the barrel bushing and remove that spring plug. It should just come out. And then turn the barrel bushing the other way, and the barrel should just slide up. There you go. And you just want to do the reverse to put it back together. There's all your parts. Beautiful Colt 1911.